Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to turn on Send Read Receipts in the X app so you can let others know when you've read their direct messages. The process is quick and you'll have it set up in just a minute. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust the settings for. Once you're on your home screen, look toward the top left corner and tap your profile icon. This will open up your menu, giving you access to your account settings and other features. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage all your personal preferences, security options, and privacy controls. Once inside, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to manage who sees your information, as well as how you interact with others on the platform. From the Privacy and Safety menu, select Direct Messages. This is the area dedicated to your messaging preferences. You'll see different options that let you control how you exchange messages with other users. Now, look for the setting labeled Send Read Receipts. When this option is turned on, people who send you direct messages will be able to see when you've opened and read them. To enable it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once activated, your read status will automatically be sent whenever you view a message. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Send Read Receipts in the X app. From now on, anyone you message who also has this feature enabled will be able to see when you've read what they sent. It's a great way to keep conversations transparent and let others know you're up to date with their messages. If you ever change your mind, you can easily return to the same setting and toggle it off again. Now you know exactly how to manage your read receipt preferences on X, keeping your messaging experience just the way you like it.